You are going to love the 2025 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, LED headlights, wheel covers, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.